If you're new to the channel, welcome. I have over 100 workouts here. You can check out that playlist section on different apparatuses that you're feeling like doing. And also, if you are looking to enhance your Pilates knowledge or become a Pilates instructor, there's 3 options for you to go through our teacher training program. One is virtually. The other is in person. So if you live in the Arizona region, definitely connect with us and we will reach out with those in-person dates. And the third option is this newly online workshop course. So you can not become certified and take the course and learn everything about anatomy, 45 mat exercises and 100 reformer exercises, and I break that down in a PowerPoint slide presentation. You have lifetime access to it and you can go at your own pace. So if you have a really strict schedule and you want to be self-taught, you can log in at any time. There are PDF files for you to download, and those would be your manuals as well for you to maybe possibly print and have it spiral bound. So it's a really nice option for those that want to enhance their knowledge. Maybe they don't want to become certified, but there is definitely an option to become certified just by taking this online course workshop. So I'll leave that link in the description box below. Definitely check it out and connect with us if you have questions. But for those that are ready to get started, let's go ahead and begin.